Love is a complex emotion that can be difficult to define or measure, but there are certain signs that can indicate if someone loves you. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 signs that someone loves you. Whether you're in a new relationship or you're trying to figure out if your current partner really loves you, these signs will give you a good idea of how they feel. One of the most significant signs that someone loves you is that they prioritize you. This means that they make you feel important and valued by going out of their way to spend time with you, listen to you, and support you in your goals and aspirations. Additionally, they will make an effort to remember important details about your life, such as your likes, dislikes, and aspirations. When someone truly loves you, they prioritize you in their life, making sure that you know that you are important and loved. Another sign that someone loves you is that they show affection towards you. Affection is a natural expression of love and can take many forms, including physical touch, such as hugging, kissing, or holding hands, and verbal expressions of love, such as saying I love you or complimenting you. Look for these small gestures of affection to know that someone loves you. If your partner is affectionate with you, it's a good indication that they love you and care about your happiness. Good communication is essential in any relationship, and someone who loves you will make an effort to communicate openly and honestly with you. When someone loves you, they will share their thoughts, feelings, and opinions with you without fear of judgment or rejection. They will also listen to you with empathy and understanding, making sure that your concerns and feelings are heard. If your partner is a good communicator, it's a good indication that they love you and are committed to building a strong and healthy relationship with you. When someone loves you, they support and encourage you in every way. They cheer for you to pursue your passions and dreams, and they provide a safe and supportive environment for you to do so. A loving partner wants to see you succeed and will be there for you during difficult times. They will be your partner in problem solving and celebrate your achievements as their own. If your partner is supportive of you, it's a clear indication that they love you and want your happiness and growth. They will encourage you to take risks, try new things, and pursue your passions, knowing that you will learn and grow from every experience. In a healthy relationship, respect is important. If someone loves you, they will respect you and your limits. They won't make you do things you don't want to do, and they will value your opinions and ideas. If your partner respects you, it shows they love you. Love should never mean giving up your own boundaries and freedom. A loving partner will understand your needs and wants and will communicate their own boundaries clearly while respecting yours too. Remember, love is a two-way street. If you're looking for these signs in someone else, make sure to reciprocate them as well. That's the foundation of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. I hope you found these 5 signs helpful in determining whether someone loves you or not. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.